This is gonna be fine. I'm sorry! I can't stop once I start!
The so-called hottie snatchers have spread to Canada and Mexico, grabbing the most attractive residents and taking them God knows where.
BRB, bathroom. It's okay. It's not real.
I heard a...
It's not so bad once you get used to it.
I'm a leg, Morty! You like that? Yeah, I know you do. At least this is better than cars. Cars can run you over. Okay, no, this is worse. Do it, Morty. It's the only way to save the universe.
How? How is it the only way?
Morty, I'm dying.